In this video guide, I will give you instructions to get rid of the browser notifications that are associated with the site Liffsandupa.xyz. Liffsandupa.xyz. So people may periodically notice these pop-ups to attack their browsers. Pop-ups by Liffsandupa.xyz have the peculiarity of attacking Windows browsers primarily, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and others. It is extremely dangerous for customers to interact with these pop-ups. They try to make people click on the special Allow button integrated into the pop-up. However, doing that is obviously a serious mistake that would first redirect the browser to some other shady pages. Plus, you may start receiving a lot of intrusive advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the Windows computer screen. In the light of this information, if you have clicked on the Allow button, you need to immediately implement some browser fixes. Access the menu, click on Settings, then you need to select Privacy and Security area, choose Site Settings. In the Permissions section, choose Notifications and carefully research the list of the sites allowed to send notifications. You need to click on these related buttons and remove all these malicious sites that are causing such troubles. After this has been successfully accomplished, the problem should be fixed, but I also recommend you to research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software, and then start carefully researching your computer with its help. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is. But pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan, and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.